No.
Oh,
you
yes,
wanna
but
change it?
how can...
Arabic very well?
No, not so. Bas English. Mapi malum Arabic. Bas شوية.
Yeah, if you understand very well Arabic, and then you can speak with the ustaz, ne?
Understand Arabic bas small. شوية Arabic.
Yeah, it's not so hard, man. It's very little. It's not so hard to you to learn, but it's no problem. You can speak with the ustaz now.
Akkasumas nama sin barbaada jennu.
Religion.
Nama barbaada dabaluu wajji. Yadiin isheen kana.
Okay, sister, do you want to accept?
Ansin dia galu didi. Saya kami muslimat atau mendemini bakasan di coba jadi masjid mendemini.
Kashada kapsi.
She's asking, I'm living Christian and I am Muslim. No, but...
Okay, sister, no problem. Anywhere you are, as long as you accept the one God, is no problem. Anywhere you are at your home or away from home, or anywhere you are, you only believe, worship in one Allah. There's nothing wrong. Anyway, you are inside your family or outside of your family or in your country or out of your country, anywhere you are, you must only worship one God. There's nothing wrong.
Because my family all is...
Sorry?
There's no problem sa when if be Muslim and my family be Muslim, it's no problem sa? And sir?
Yeah, it's no problem. No. It's not a problem. I understand what you mean. Like, it's your family. Whatever your family he does or whatever you do is yours. You mustn't involve with your family. Your family, if you wanna learn and you must teach your family also is good. It's no problem. Yeah, your family. I mean, like, can you hear me, sister? If you believe in Muslim, if you change your religion, there's nothing wrong. Your family must believe whatever you want to believe. You also, your choice is your life. Your life, nobody can control for you, wasn't it? Yeah, your family, they can only live their own life. You also, you can live your own life. You must change your religion or whatever you believe, your worship is your choice. That is your life.
Yeah, that's my choice. No.
Yeah, it's your choice. Your family can't tell you what you can do, but you must have a respect of your mother and your parents. You must have a respect, and you must understand them also. Only by religion, you cannot understand nobody. Your religion is your religion. Nobody can affect your religion.